Today's world is getting faster and more complicated every day. The challenges we face are growing, and so is the amount of information we have to process. OrgPad solves this problem by showing you the big picture. Use OrgPad to build your own networks of interconnected ideas just like your brain would do. Keep all essential information in front of you and never miss out on anything. Build projects as simple or as complex as you need them to be. OrgPad can handle it all. Writing things down boosts your cognitive ability. OrgPad brings this to a whole new level. You discover new connections and approach problems from different viewpoints. Unleash a creative flow and let your ideas grow right in front of you. Turn your creations into stunning presentations and amaze people with your deep understanding. You can also easily share your work with others. Multiple people can collaborate on a document at the same time. You can import files and images and insert them exactly where they matter most. OrgPad is your all-in-one power tool for brainstorming, idea building, and thought processing. Try it right now for free.